Life is often filled with challenges that can be simplified with a few clever strategies. In a fast-paced world, discovering genius life hacks can transform mundane tasks into efficient routines. These hacks save time, reduce effort, and ultimately enhance your quality of life. From kitchen dilemmas to organizational woes, here are 5 genius life hacks that you absolutely need to try. First on the list is the classic ice cube trick for your herbs. Many of us struggle to keep fresh herbs from wilting away after a few days. By chopping different herbs and placing them in ice cube trays with olive oil, you can freeze them into handy portions. The next time you cook, simply pop an herb cube into your dish to add a burst of flavor effortlessly. This not only prolongs the life of your herbs, but also makes cooking a breeze. Next up is the genius way to keep your charging cables organized. If you're tired of cables tangling and taking up space, take a binder clip and attach it to the edge of your desk. Feed the end of each cable through the clips. This simple yet effective hack prevents the cords from sliding around, making it easy to grab your charger without the hassle of unwinding a mess of wires. For those who often forget their drinks in the freezer, consider using a wet paper towel as your cooling assistant. Simply wrap your beverage in a damp paper towel and place it in the freezer. In about 15 minutes, you'll have a perfectly chilled drink, avoiding the icy block that comes from leaving it unattended for too long. This technique saves your drinks from potential disaster and ensures they are refreshingly cold when you need them. A valuable life hack for busy individuals is to set a timer for tasks, whether it's cleaning your space or focusing on work. By setting a timer for 25 minutes, you can dive into a task without distractions, followed by a 5-minute break. This system, known as the Pomodoro technique, boosts productivity while preventing burnout. Lastly, if you're looking for a swift and space-efficient way to charge your devices, consider using a toilet paper roll. Simply carve a slot into the side of the roll, insert your charging cable, and voila! You have a makeshift charging station that keeps your nightstand tidy and your device easily accessible. Incorporating these genius life hacks into your everyday routine will surely enhance your efficiency and make life much more enjoyable. Try them out today and experience a world of difference.